introduce the Beholder DS1 wired remote control. Okay, right now let's power on the gimbal. Okay, right now the DS1 is power on. Okay, the joystick work very well. Okay, now let us see. Check that's the 2-meter wire remote control set. Okay, let's plug the USB port into the Beholder handle USB port. Okay. Okay, we plug in. Now the joystick on handle didn't work now. The remote control joystick start working. Okay. Okay, the joystick works very good. Okay, right now let us unplug the USB cable out. Okay, now the joystick didn't work. Okay, we need to reactivate the joystick. So we need to straight press the joystick for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you check the joystick. It start working again. Another way, if you want to make the joystick rework again on the handle, you can power off the gimbal, then power on the gimbal again. Okay, now the joystick go back. That's great. This is the 2-meter version joystick. This is the 1-meter version wired remote control joystick. Any question, you can go to cnchelicopter.com to see the Beholder factory items.